When it comes to selling a home, first impressions matter. In Austin's competitive real estate market, homeowners are always looking for ways to stand out and increase their property's value. While landscaping and renovations are often top of mind, one often overlooked but highly effective way to enhance your home's appeal is through residential junk removal. Whether you're preparing your home for sale or simply want to enjoy a more organized living space, getting rid of unwanted items can significantly impact your home's value and overall appeal. The power of decluttering. Clutter is more than just an eyesore. It can create the impression that your home is smaller or less well maintained than it actually is. Prospective buyers walking through a cluttered home may struggle to envision the potential of the space. Residential junk removal helps declutter your home, allowing each room to feel more spacious, organized, and inviting. When buyers see clean, open spaces, they are more likely to be able to imagine themselves living there. In Austin, where the market is competitive and buyers often have specific preferences, presenting a home that is free from unnecessary clutter can give you a significant edge. Junk removal ensures that your home is in the best possible condition for showings, which can make all the difference when it comes to securing a higher asking price. Cleanliness equals value. A home that is clean and well maintained indicates to potential buyers that it has been cared for. Old furniture, broken appliances, or piles of unused items can give the impression that a home has not been properly maintained. On the other hand, a junk-free home suggests that the seller is organized, thoughtful, and proactive, traits that can boost the value of your property. Residential junk removal not only clears away physical clutter but also helps improve the cleanliness of your home. Whether it's removing dust and debris or addressing the lingering smell of old items, this service can transform your living space into something that feels fresh and inviting. A clean home is universally appealing, and buyers in Austin are more likely to pay a premium for a property that feels well kept and move-in ready. Maximizing your home's potential. Every inch of your home should be working for you when you're preparing to sell, and that includes spaces like garages, attics, and basements that may have been overtaken by boxes and old furniture. Many homeowners don't realize just how much usable space they have until they remove the junk that's accumulated over the years. By clearing out these areas, you can showcase more square footage, which is often a key factor in determining a home's value. In Austin, where homes can be on the smaller side, maximizing available space is particularly important. Potential buyers will be looking at every nook and cranny for storage potential and functionality. A garage filled with clutter may look like wasted space, but once cleared, it could serve as an attractive feature for buyers looking for extra storage, a workshop, or even a home gym. Likewise, removing junk from your attic or basement can reveal valuable space that buyers may want to convert into an office, playroom, or additional living area. A positive selling experience. The process of selling a home can be stressful, and junk removal is one simple step that can make the process smoother for both sellers and buyers. A clutter-free home creates a more inviting atmosphere for showings and open houses, leading to a more positive experience for everyone involved. In addition, it shows potential buyers that you are serious about selling and have taken the time to prepare your home for sale. Even if you're not looking to sell immediately, junk removal can enhance your daily living experience. A home that is free of unwanted items allows for more peace of mind and can make everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're decluttering in anticipation of a sale or simply wanting a more organized space, residential junk removal is a great investment in the long-term value of your home. Conclusion. In a city like Austin, where real estate is in high demand, even small improvements can have a big impact on the value of your home. Residential junk removal is a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your property's appeal, making it look cleaner, more spacious, and well-maintained. By creating a home that is decluttered and organized, you increase your chances of receiving a higher offer when it's time to sell. Plus, you'll enjoy a more functional and enjoyable living space in the meantime. Whether you're selling now or just want to improve your home's value for the future, residential junk removal is a smart, cost-effective choice.